Hello guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to talk to Gemini with your voice on PC. And there are two main ways of doing this. So of course you can do this in the usual Gemini. So you just search for Gemini on your Google like this, right? And then just navigate to the app right here. And in here guys, in order to use the voice commands and talk to our AI with voice, you can see next to our model change, we have this little microphone icon. So just click on it and then just give your permissions for your microphone in your settings. So you go here, for example, and then make sure to enable the microphone access, okay? And then when you're talking with your microphone, you activate it here, you can just easily input your prompt instead of a text without typing anything in, but just using your voice. And the second method is to just use the Google AI Studio, and the process here is pretty much identical. As you can see, we have this microphone icon. Click on it, then allow the browser and allow this page, this website, to use your microphone, okay? And after that, you can use the same functionality just like on your phone. So that's it for this one. Pretty short and simple. If you enjoy these kind of videos, like and subscribe.